Well, here's the last time she's gonna run. I try to get her up on the jack stands, but not the jack stands, the ramps. But the friggin' ramps slide forward, so without somebody else helping me or putting something in front, it's just the floors. I think it's because the floor's dirty, and it's a garage. It's slippery. That's why I can't do it. So I already marked where she needs to be. I'm gonna jack her up and try to put the ramp on the bottom, and we'll keep her jacked up that way with safety jacks and everything. But yeah, let's turn her on. I already started her up. So as you can see, I mean, she starts up, runs, but I got low fuel. She sounds a little bit tired. Still runs though. But like I said, she's overheating, and it's got a blown head gasket. So it'll be the last time it's gonna run for a while.